Hello viewers, welcome to in my YouTube channel Professor Babu Bilal-Babu-bp7xr. So today I am going to represent you a beautiful topic of grammar that is called present continuous tense. And last time I have delivered a lecture about present indefinite tense. If you didn't see my last lecture, so kindly click on I button and you can see that video as well. So as viewers, you know that in my previous topics I have completely described you by technically that how you will learn grammar in technical way. So today I am going to discuss present continuous tense, and you know that all continuous tense you have to use four form of verb, that is called verb first form plus ing or four form of verb will be used in all continuous tense. But today I'm going to discuss you only present continuous tense. And what is helping verb of present continuous tense? If you remember, I repeat, is, am, and are. So these three helping verbs are used in present continuous tense. So let's discuss with detail. Today I'm going to discuss you a present continuous tense. So let's discuss what is present continuous tense. So if you are new in my channel, so kindly subscribe the channel so you will get all the notifications of my channel. So present continuous tense, as I have already told you in my last previous lectures about present about tenses, that which how you have to use tenses in technical way. So today I am going to again teach you in detail that what is present continuous tense. So in present continuous tense you have to use four form of verb. This is called ing, verb first form plus ing, and you have to use ismr as a helping verb. That's very simple. Only four form verb and ismr, that is complete. Like for example, in present continuous tense, in simple sentence the structure is like subject plus ismr plus verb four form plus object. So in subject and object remain in the all tenses, you know. And what do we have to do? We just have to keep in our mind that ismr will be used as helping verb only in present continuous tense. And next, verb first form of verb plus ing. The fourth form of verb is used in present continuous tense. So sentences, for example, in singular sentences, she is reading the book in the library. Alright, he is cooking dinner for his family, and the baby is sleeping in her room. I am studying for my exams next week. So here you just keep in mind that we use is, and am. So this is, am is a singular helping verb, and we use she, he, and I, baby. So these are our singular nouns and singular pronoun. So we know that in singular noun and pronoun we have to use singular helping verb. So she is singular noun and is a singular helping verb. So she is, he is, the baby is, and I am. And am is used only I. Alright, this is fixed. You have to fix in your mind that am is used only I, but in present continuous tense. So these are singular sentences, and the next one is plural sentences. So they are traveling to Europe this summer. They are traveling to Europe this summer. Here they is as a plural, our plural subject or plural pronoun, and or, what is or? Or is a plural helping verb. So they are traveling to Europe. Alright, and we are watching a movie at the cinema. We are. So here we is our plural noun pronoun and are is our helping verb. So we know that these are our sentences of present simple sentences. So I repeat it once again that in present continuous tense you have to use ismr as a helping verb, and four form of verb and four form of verb is used in present continuous tense. So we were said, so we are going to discuss a present continuous tense negative sentences. So what is negative? Negative means not. If you are asking something that, are you coming with me? He said not. I'm not coming with you. So when you use the word not, it's called negative sentence. That's very easy. What do you have to do? You just have to put not after helping verb. That is called negative sentence. For example, here you can say structure subject plus ismr plus not plus four form of verb plus ing. Right here we use not after helping verb. This is called negative sentences. And simple, and here we have to use singular sentences like she is not reading a book right now. Right, she's not reading a book right now. he is not cooking dinner for his family. It's not raining heavily outside. So here what we have to do, we use not after helping verb. So we use he, she, it. These are our singular noun and pronoun. So after he, she, it, we put helping verb is, and then we use not. So this is our negative sentences, and after not we use for from verb and then object. Alright, so in plural sentences, they are not playing cricket in the park today, and the girls are not practicing the piano in music room. So here what we have to do, we use they and girls. They are plural nouns, alright, and pronoun. So after they we use are. So are is our plural verb, and after that we use not. So what is not? Not is our negative sentences. After that we use the for from a verb, practicing and playing, and then object. So this, in this way we can make negative sentences. She is not, he is not, it is not, they are not, the girls are not. So if we use not in our sentences, so this is called negative, right? So now we have discussed present continuous tense negative sentences. I hope you understand. Alright, viewers, so present continuous tense we are discussing interrogative sentences. What is interrogative? Intro means someone, like someone asks you a question that, are you happy today? Are you coming with me in party? So can you write a book today? Can you write notes for me? So whatever the question you have been asked, there is called interrogative sentences. In all interrogative sentences, you have to put the question the question mark at the end of the sentence, right? Like so. In interrogative sentences, we are discussing present continuous tense, the whole structure and whatever. Like the structure is more plus a subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object plus question mark. So here what we have done, we have to use in all interrogative sentences, the helping verb is used in initial of the sentences. That is whatever you have to keep in your mind, that is the word is used in initial of the sentences in interrogative sentences, then subject, then verb, first form, then object, and then you have to must put the question mark at the end of the sentence only in interrogative sentences. So in interrogative sentences, for example, is she studying for her exams? Alright, is she studying for her exams? Is the sun sitting in the horizon? Is he playing football with his friends? So here what we have done, we use is in initial of the sentences, then we use subject she, right, and he, right, the sun. So what we have to do, we have to use helping verb as the initial of the sentence, then we have to put subject, then from a verb, then object, then question mark. This is very important, right? In all interrogative sentences you have to use question verb, question mark at the end of the sentences. And what is plural sentences? In plural sentences, like are you currently writing an essay? Are you currently writing an essay? No, I'm not writing an essay. How you can say, right? So such sentences we can use as a interrogative sentence. Are you watching TV right now? Are you watching TV right now? No, I'm not watching TV right now. Yes, I'm watching TV right now. So such type of question and answer is possible in present continuous tense. The last sentence is, are the birds chirping in the trees, right? Are the birds chirping in the trees? No, there are no birds. How you can say? So such type of sentences we have to use in present continuous tense as interrogative sentences. And I again repeat that interrogative sentences means someone asks you a question that, are you happy today? Right? Are you coming with me? Are you writing a book? Are you watching TV? Are you playing cricket? Right? So such type of questions when you have been asked. So this is called present continuous tense interrogative sentences. Alright students, so today we have discussed present continuous tense, affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and interrogative sentences. And last, now we are going to discuss intro plus negative sentences. So what is intro plus negative sentences? In intro plus negative sentence, you are asking a question and you also put a note as well. Like for example, are you not going to party today with me? Are you not coming to my home today? Are we not going to celebrate the holiday today? Are they not coming to the room today? Right? Such type of question when you ask with someone by adding not. So that is called intro plus negative sentences. For example, the structure is like that. He helping verb plus ismr plus subject plus not plus four-form verb plus object, then question mark. So in all interrogative sentences, you have to use helping verb as initial of the sentences. For example, in circular sentences like Ali is easily not playing football today, right? Easily not playing football today. Is she not watching TV in the room? Is it not raining outside now? So here what we have to do, we ask question and we use not as well in all our sentences. You can say not, and here we use is in initial of the sentences. It shows that if you use helping verb in initial of the sentences, it represents that this is a question sentence, this is an interrogative sentences. And if you use not as well in the sentences, so it means this sentence refers to intro plus negative sentence, right? Interrogative and negative sentences. So both is here. So this is our singular sentences. Is Ali not playing football today? Is Ali not playing football today? Why he is not playing football today, right? So the next one is plural. Are they not playing cricket in the ground? Are they not playing cricket in the ground? Why they are not playing cricket in the ground? What's the reason they are not playing cricket in the ground? So such type of question we can ask. Alright? Are we not fighting today? Are we not fighting today? So when we will fight? Why we are not fighting today? Right? So here we are asking question and we are putting not as well, right? I again repeat that if in a sentence your helping verb is used in initial of the sentences, right? Like that, and the not is also used in the sentence, so it represents that this sentence belong to interrogative and negative sentences. So in all tenses, your all 12 tenses, so you have to use helping verb as initial of the sentences, so it represents your intro plus negative sentences. So dear, I hope you understand the today's lecture in well form. So if you have any confusion, any problem regarding my channel, regarding my today's topic, so kindly ask me your question in your comments. And if you are new in my channel, subscribe my channel so you will get all the links and notifications of my channel. I have delivered many lectures about grammar, and in future I will deliver a lot of lecture about grammar and other different topics. So I hope you will be with me in my channel. So today is enough for today, and if you are alive, and we will meet again. So thanks for today.